motorcycle is broken. I want to call you down now.
Halo, assalamualaikum.
Hello, Waalaikumsalam. Awal here.
It's me, Danny. What's wrong? It's me, Danny. What's wrong?
Can you help me?
Yes. What can I do for you?
I want to go to campus, but my motorcycle is broken. Can you pick me up?
Yes. What time and where?
In my home at 7 o'clock. You know my home?
Yes, I know.
Okay, bye. See you.